Welcome to this unique modern farmhouse. I'm touring a home today in Central Florida that's situated on a corner lot with modern upgrades, the ability to generate rental income, and for a price that can't be beat. You know the drill. Let's get started. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Montiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. I go all throughout the region looking for amazing opportunities for you, whether you are relocating or buying for the first time. Today, we are touring a home here in Citrus Springs, Florida. Citrus Springs is a newer, quiet residential community just 30 minutes south of Ocala. This area has seen a lot of growth with new construction homes, and because of its laid-back lifestyle and proximity to major cities, a lot of retirees, investors, and first-time home buyers are relocating to this area. Now, the Nature Coast offers tons of outdoor lifestyle. If you like walking trails, cycling, swimming, or going kayaking, there are tons of things to do. You're going to have Rainbow Springs and Crystal River just a short drive, plus all of your shopping and dining amenities are going to be down a Norval Bryant Highway. You're going to have Starbucks, Chipotle, Target, everyday essentials down that road. Now we're going to be touring this home right here that is situated on a corner lot. You're going to have tons of space on the driveway for about 4 to 6 cars to park, plus 2 more spaces inside. Now this home is really unique because the main house is going to be 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with an additional unit attached to the side. Now this home is located in a flood-free zone, so those of you that are worried about flood insurance, it's not required here. The aesthetic of this house has the board and batten that you see in a traditional modern farmhouse. It has black accents and just a beautiful exterior with tons of space inside. You're going to have a nice walkway that leads you up to your front door, and then this kind of walkway that leads you into the additional unit off to the side. You're going to have 2 private entrances, so if you're generating income or hosting family, that's convenient. Now let's go take a look inside. Stepping into this home, you are greeted with an open concept floor plan. You're going to have a coat closet right across the front door here, and then you have this space for a nice entryway. As soon as you step in, you're going to have your living room and your kitchen all together. You're going to have another closet right behind here, probably where your couch would go, but this is going to be your main living space. You have beautiful windows that brings in a lot of natural light, and there are vaulted ceilings throughout the home. There's going to be modern accents like this wooden wall here, where you would probably put your TV and maybe an electrical fireplace would be really nice. The entire home has LVP flooring and ceiling fan fixtures in each room. Again, this home is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms at over 1,500 square feet. The main house is going to have 2 bedrooms, and the additional unit will have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. I am now standing in the dining nook of the home. Perfect place if you're hosting or gathering with friends and family. You have a light fixture already installed for you. This area has tons of space for seating, so if you wanted to do a rectangular shape or even a round table, you have tons of space. You also have additional seating right here on this beautiful kitchen island, tons of space for hosting. You're going to have your pantry right off to this side, and then you'll have stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen. Again, quartz countertops everywhere, and it just adds elegant touches. You're going to have a beautiful subway tile backsplash in the kitchen, and you'll have shaker style cabinets as well. They also have added a trim on top, which is just a nice touch. You're going to have your kitchen sink facing the backyard with a nice window, and a lot of people love that feature, so there you have it. You have tons of storage right here behind this kitchen island, and honestly, just an amazing kitchen. It has everything you need, perfect for a home chef. Okay, down the hall, we're gonna take a look at your primary bedroom and your garage. Now the primary bedroom offers tons of space for relaxation. Again, you have LVP flooring, so you will not find carpet anywhere in this house. Another light fixture already installed for you, but just in an amazing space. It'll fit a king-size bed, and you have 2 windows that overlook your backyard. You're gonna have your bathroom right through these double barn doors, and the bathroom does not skip on the touches. You're gonna have tile with that marble effect going all the way up to the ceiling, a beautiful sleek shower, and then you're gonna have a quartz countertop for the vanity as well. You're gonna have a private toilet room off to the side here, and then your closet is a dream. Outside of the bathroom, we're gonna step into the primary closet that already has some shelving installed for you. As you can see, this is quite the spacious closet. So again, storage is not an issue. They've done an amazing job making 1,500 square feet very functional. The vaulted ceilings really adds another touch that makes it feel much open. Okay, so right across the hall, we're gonna take a look at your laundry room and your garage. You're gonna have space in the laundry room for your washer and dryer, but they've already added a utility sink, and this is something a lot of my clients definitely appreciate. So the garage itself is very spacious, and a lot of my clients moving from up north are always asking, Nicole, I want a 2-car garage. Well, here you have it. You're gonna have your water heater, electric panel, and AC HVAC unit right above. So tons of space for storage. If you wanted to create a home gym or a workshop, again, a lot of space. Enough about the garage. Let's go across the house and take a look at the other guest bedrooms. Across the hall, this is going to be bedroom number 2. Again, quite the spacious bedroom, and if you notice, the builder has already done some convenient upgrades. They've placed some outlets already up on top for you, so those of you that like to hang your television, that's perfect and ready. Again, a beautiful window, tons of natural light, a built-in closet with tons of space, and as you can see, a working fan above my head as well. You can fit a queen-size bed in here, so if you're someone whose kids have gone off to college or moved out, and if you're looking to downsize, this is the perfect property. One, it adds space for yourself and your kids visiting with the additional unit. Now, stepping into the second bathroom, just like the first one, it has the same finishes. So you have a quartz countertop for your vanity, you have that tile that goes all the way up, and a shower and tub duo. Now, you also have an extra linen closet in between at the end of the hall, right through there. So very convenient, move-in ready. Now we're going to take a look at guest bedroom number 3, which is the additional unit. So if you wanted to generate income and have an Airbnb, or if you're hosting the kids coming from school, they have their own space. This is a spacious sized bedroom that offers tons of comfort. You have 2 beautiful windows looking out to the front, and you have a ceiling fan as well. A few things to mention is that you have your built-in closet and the bathroom inside. But first, I just wanted to quickly show you, this is that private entrance that we saw from the outside. So if your kids are coming home, or if your guests are coming back from a late day and you don't want to be bothered, they can come in through that door. Okay, in the bathroom, again, very convenient. You have a shower tub duo, you have a quartz countertop, and just an amazing space to get ready. Well, that wraps up our bedrooms. Let's go take a look at the backyard. Continuing with the theme of an outdoor lifestyle, I am standing in the covered lanai. Again, another thing that a lot of my clients have been asking for is a covered lanai to enjoy the Florida weather. You can screen it in, enjoy a nice outdoor kitchen if you wanted to make one, or a sitting area as well. This home sits on a corner lot and is 0.36 acres. So you have tons of space to either add a pool, if you wanted to add a gazebo, a playground, whatever you wish. There is no HOA in the community, so you have the freedom to do whatever you want on your property. If you had an RV trailer, or if you wanted to add some fruit trees, the possibilities are endless. Well, that wraps up our exterior. Let's go inside and finish today's tour. Well, that concludes today's home tour. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos. We just toured a beautiful brand new modern farmhouse here in Citrus Springs, Florida. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms at over 1,500 square feet, situated on a corner lot. There's no HOA in the community, and this home is priced at $299,000. Again, I'm Nicole Montiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. And if you're looking to relocate, buy for the first time, or if you're interested in this home in particular, you can scan this QR code off to the side or click the link in the description below to schedule a call. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.